Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be going to turn into Princess Jasmine because she is my all-time favorite princesses in the entire world. I love Princess Jasmine so very much. I love her style. I love her long hair, which is what I want to do one day. I want to have long hair like Princess Jasmine, like long thick hair. Comment down below which is your favorite princess character, or what kind of makeup look that you're going for in this Halloween. So without further ado, let's get started. So I already did my base makeup. We are starting off with contouring our face. For that I'm using the Smashbox Studio Fix foundation stick, and I'm taking the darkest shade and applying that to my cheekbones and also to my nose. For nose I'm using a little small brush so that I can get a precise contour line and get a thin nose. My nose looked like a tomato. As you can already tell, so I'm trying to slim my nose down. And also I'm going to put a little bit of the product on my cupid's bow, like above the cupid's bow as well, to define that area, and under my lips as well to give the illusion of a bigger lip, and also on my jawline to get a sharp defined jawline. Now I'm taking a brush to slightly blend the nose contour that I created earlier. I like to use a brush because I have more control using a brush than a beauty blender on my nose, because it's a pretty small area. I'm also going to blend my cupid's bow underneath my lip area as well. So for my face I'm using a beauty blender, the side or the tippy pointy part of the beauty blender, and blending it ever so slightly. I'm just lightly patting on it. I'm not dragging the product, because if I drag the product then it can look muddy and we wouldn't get the effect that we are looking for. So for setting everything in place, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Powder, and also to set my contour I'm using the Hoola bronzer. This is my all-time favorite bronzer. I love this product so much. Now I'm taking the exact same product that we used before, but the lighter shade, and highlighting my bridge of the nose and my cupid's bow area as well, to even more bring that contour forward. Now to fill in the brows I'm using the MAC brow pencil, I already have a tutorial on how to fill in the brows, so do watch that video if you want a detailed explanation. And for setting the brow in place I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Legendary brow. So for the eye makeup look I'm using two different palettes here. The first one is from Voss, and it is called the Best Life eyeshadow palette, and the other one is the Morphie 350 eyeshadow palette. All the shades that I'm using in the video is going to be showing right now in circles or squares, so just follow the video if you want to recreate this look, or follow the exact steps. Everything should be on the screen there for you. Now, as you can see, I used a fluffy brush to put product into my eyelid, and it did not look good at all. It was looking patchy. So that's why I'm including this clip in this video, to show you not to use this kind of a brush if you want to lay products to the inner corners or inner one third of your eye. Rather use a flat concealer brush like this, which I'm using right now, which gives a more precise application and it wouldn't look as messy as my eye is looking right now. I'm going to do that on exactly the same on the other eye, and I'm going to show you the difference. So as you can see, if I use the flat concealer brush, I get a more precise application and it wouldn't look smudgy and all over the place like before. But we can always, if something happens like that, then we can always go back and fix it with a different kind of brush, or maybe blend by blending products together. Now to blend everything, I'm using a fluffy brush and blending it ever so slightly so that I'm not getting any harsh lines. Now for eyeliner, I am using this MAC's roller liquid eyeliner. So this gives the most precise wing if you use this product. As you can see, the edge of the product looks like a roller, like it is round in shape. It is so weird, but it works so very well. If you need a separate tutorial on how to use this product, comment down below so that I can make one for you. So we're trying to create an almond shape eye look here. For the inner corners, I went ahead with the roller again, but it did not turn out very well, as you can see here. But in a minute, you'll see me going back with the liquid eyeliner and correcting the mistakes that I've made. I have no shame in showing the mistakes in my videos because everyone makes mistakes, and that's how we learn. So here we go back with, I'm going back with the liquid eyeshadow from Sephora with a more precise tip for the inner corner and fill in the gaps. So I'm using this liquid eyeliner on the lower lids because it gives a nice shape to my eye, and we can smudge it after, but it gives a very dark, a very good shape to my eye. So that's why I'm doing the liquid eyeliner on the lower lashes as well. But this will look perfect in a minute when we smudge it out. You can do the same on your top upper eyelid as well if you want to create that almond shaped eye. Now I'm taking, you can take any black or brown or whichever color shadow you want to smudge the lower lash line, which is what I'm doing right now. And also you can do that on your top lashes as well, so that gives a smoky undone eye look, which looks sexy. And also I'm going to take this blue eyeshadow from Violet Rose palette and applying that to the lower eyelids. But if you want a different color, feel free to do that. But it just gives a pop of color and it will look so good in person. That's why I'm doing it. I'm not going with false lashes because we already have so much drama going on in our eyes. So just curling the lashes and applying a good fluffy, mascara would do the trick. That's all with my eyes. I hope you like this eye look. I love this look. I love a good almond shaped eyes that looks nice and smoky and all black. It is my favorite eye look. Now since we have so much drama going on in our eyes, I'm going to keep my lips nuded. I'm using a MAC lip pencil, which is closer to my actual color of my lip. And on top of that, I'm applying this liquid lipstick from Tarte. It also looks like my actual lip color. So it's a perfect nude shade for me. The product that I'm using will be in the description box below. For blush, I'm taking Milani blush. I think this is in the shade Rose Petal. and applying to my cheeks. And for highlighter, I'm taking the highlighter stick from Milk Cosmetics. This is my everyday highlighter. I love this highlighter so much. It gives the very muted sheen to your cheeks. Nothing overwhelming or overly powerful or anything, but it looks very natural and beautiful in person. That's all I have for you guys today. Hope you did like this video. I had so much fun filming this video for you guys, and I got this costume from eBay. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below if you guys are interested in buying this costume for Halloween or any occasion for that matter. So do follow me on Instagram as well. That would mean the world to me. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I make videos every single week on Monday. So oops, my hair is falling. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video.